Hey, what's up everyone? This is German from German Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the band 6621, and this is the Tallgeese to Mastergrade. And again, this has no difference at all with the Tallgeese one, and I already got a review of the Tallgeese one 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, since I already built that, and also I built the Tallgeese 3, the band version as well. So there we got the Tallgeese 2 from Trey's Kushernada from the Gundam Wing, and this is the B Bandai version from the Bandai. Okay, so even the box, it it looks like the P Bandai box also. So kudos to the band. Okay, and there we got the Tallgeese 2 here, front view, rear view, and also there we got Tallgeese 2 writing here 100 scale model. So if we open the box here, what we'll get the shift. Okay. So there we go. We got the instruction manual. And there it's 6621 100 scale, and we can see here there's this Tallgeese model kit here, so it really looks like the Tallgeese. The assembling process for this kit is same, of course, with the Tallgeese one. The only difference with the kit is the head, and the head here does have this kind of mohawk. So, and we got here additional weapons for the Tallgeese 2, which is the axe. So we got the axe and the lance. So we got axe and lance here. Okay, and I might share some of its weapon with the Tallgeese one. Okay, so there we can see different assembling process here, where we can see it has a shorter gun barrel. There, it has a shorter gun barrel, if you can see, and we got mohawk type of head, and there we got mohawk head there. Okay, as you can see, and we got different eyes for the Tallgeese, because it looks like having the Gundam eyes and Gundam facial style or silhouette with those vents on the mouth like that. Okay, so let's go with the parts. So we got here these parts similar with the Tallgeese one. And there we got this kind of pieces here, and there we got the mohawks for the Tallgeese. We got here white runners for yeah, this one is for the lance, I think. Yep, this is for the lance and the axe. There we got those again for the booster packs. Then we got this Trey's Kushernada action figure there, and gray parts. And finally we got this blue parts here and inner frame parts. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner B1 for this white parts here, white armor parts. And we got here gray parts for the runner E. So these are all the inner frame parts. We got polycaps. Okay, so these are the Tallgeese polycaps. And we got runner F1 here, and these are all gray parts. Then we got here runner A for the blue parts, yellow parts, and we got clear parts here. So we got runner C here, C2, and there we got. Actually, be careful when buying Daban. Be careful with this kit because the first time I bought Tallgeese 2, there is this melted portion on this C3 part, but thankfully Hobby Wang changed the kit for me. And what I find here, there's this kind of plastic. Anyway, I might trim those plastics. Okay. There's some plastic excess. And there we got this gun. These are the gun for the Tallgeese 2. Then we got the booster parts. Okay. Then we got again this runner G1. Okay. Then runner C2 here again. So let's check. Okay, the C3 runner is good. Okay, very nice. Then we got here runner D. And these are all for the hands. So again, I will not use these hands since I got my Dalin decal hands. And I got here runner H1 for the blue parts. Then for other pieces here, we got gray parts and yep, runner L and another runner L. So we got two sets of runner L here. Then we got white parts here where we can see Trace Kushrenada and Lady Un or Lady Un, but this should be read as Lady Un. And there we got the head of the Tallgeese. Okay. Then we got white parts here for the Tallgeese legs, Tallgeese boosters, beam saber effect parts, green or blue and yellow parts here for the lance, and we got all the lance set here. These are all the lance. So we got the lance and axe. So I might share it with my Tallgeese 1. Okay, perfect. And again, we got stickers, foil stickers, and war slide decals, and we got here the instruction manual. So let's build this kit. And so the finished product of this Tallgeese 2 here from the band. And honestly, this has some flaws as well, especially the left arm. So I had to do some modification on the joints there, especially the polycap. The polycap that is available for inside the arm there is very tattered, a bit tattered, so I must do something for that, which I did perfectly fine. But I won't play with this because still, even though I did some modification, there's still looseness, especially on this joint there. So Tallgeese 2 here, I'll not do articulation reviews for this one because I already did the review for the Tallgeese 1, and they are just the same. The only difference with this model is, of course, the head, the mohawk, and the collar. But what made me like this kit is it has this lance and the halberd here, and we got another set of this. So we got two sets of halberd and this lance here. So I might use that one with my Tallgeese 1. So I might share that set with the Tallgeese 1. So I chose to use the blue one because the other set has this kind of yellow stripes there, and also yellow part for that halberd joint there. So I will use the yellow for the Tallgeese one. It's nice to have, Tallgeese is, it looks like a gladiator, a Roman soldier. And it's so nice to see is a Tallgeese kit wielding so many weapons. This really looks fantastic for the Tallgeese because of, it shows more power and more angst because of this kind of appearance. So you don't just see the Tallgeese wielding shield and dobber gun, and the for me that beam saber sucks. So I much prefer seeing Tallgeese wielding this kind of weapons, which make it more badass. So I can somehow compare it with the IBO kits, having this kind of weaponries, just like that. So I just like the color scheme for the boosters. I like this white and blue scheme compared with the Tallgeese tree that it all comes with all blue booster. The dobber gun, by the way, it doesn't come with doesn't come up with the spring, which is unfortunate. I think the manufacturer or the shop where I bought this, so I bought it from Hobby Wang or Hobby King, Hobby 168 whatsoever. So I think they forgot to include the spring for the dobber gun firing or shooting effect, but it's okay. I'm not that interested with that gimmick. Still, the dobber gun is looks fine. So if you're going to compare it with my Tallgeese kit here, so this is my Tallgeese 1 there for Zex Marquis, and of course Tallgeese 2 is from Trey's Cushionada. And we got here my latest also, Tallgeese 3 from Miliardo Peacecraft. I must say that Tallgeese 2 here has a very sturdy joints compared with those two, compared with the Tallgeese 1 and Tallgeese 3. Tallgeese 2 here is much more excellent. It's more excellent among these three. It's the most excellent. What I don't like with this kit is the eyes. Doesn't capture, or the sticker provided for this kit doesn't capture the Tallgeese 2 Gundam-like eyes. So it looks like a visor, still a visor, green visor. It's not that Gundam-ish eyes look, but still it's okay. Although I get a bit disappointed because of I much like the Gundam eyes for this Tallgeese 2. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this unbox review and not so detailed review of the Tallgeese 2. And if you like the detailed review, just watch my review about the Tallgeese 1. It's a bit detailed there. And thank you so much for watching this. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care.